Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm Natasha if you're new here, and if you are, you already know what I'm gonna say. Subscribe, girl, and click that notification bell so you know exactly when I post a new video. So today, I'm just gonna be doing a little get ready with me. Me and my husband are gonna go out, do some fun things today. So I said, let me sit down and film my makeup look for today. I want to do something that matches the pink that I'm wearing. I'm not gonna do something that's super pink because I don't think you need to be too matchy-matchy, but I want something that's shimmery and like in the pink family. So maybe I'm thinking a magenta color, and I'm gonna be using the Jackie Aina palette to create today's look. Ignore the fact that this palette is filthy. But I think I wanna do something using this shade here, which is called Wigglies. Okay, so first I'm going to, of course, do my face, my brows. Since today's focus will be the eyes, I'm going to just kind of fast forward through my face routine. I will link a video somewhere up here. I'm assuming it'll be on this side, but I don't know. Either way, it'll be up here where you can go and see me do my face routine. I'm gonna be using these two shades. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in Marquises, which is medium deep 5. And I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade 560 Chocolate. And I'm just gonna mix these two to create a shade for me that I feel matches me better than just using the NARS shade by itself. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the makeup look. Okay, so my base makeup is done, and now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So I didn't bring my concealer all the way down onto my lid like I usually do because I'm gonna use my P. Louise base today in the shade Rumor 6. And I'm gonna just put that all over my lid. And I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to blend that out. Now let's move on to eyeshadow. And like I said, I'm using my Jackie palette. I want to start with the fluffy brush first and go into this shade here, which is Ginger. And I'm just tapping that into my crease. And now flicking it over from my outer corner towards my inner corner. I'm going to go into Edges, which is like a reddish brown. Since we're doing a pink today, I don't want it to, like my crease shade, to just be pure brown. And I'm just gonna use windshield wiper motions back and forth in my crease. And I'm still using the same fluffy brush. Make sure you blend out your outer corner so that it doesn't look harsh there. And the last shade that we're gonna put in the crease area is gonna be a mix between Pinker and Supreme, and I'm just gonna tap my brush into both of those shades and put that like closer to under my crease. I'm just tapping that on, and it is kind of getting onto my lid, but I don't mind. Now I'm gonna use like a flat shader brush that's kind of fluffy and go into the shade Wigglies, which is gonna be the star of the show. It's a shimmery, like reddish color. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I'm gonna take a little pencil brush and add some more of Pinker and Supreme above Wigglies because it kind of looks like it disappeared. And then I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush and just blend that out. It's clean. I didn't pick up any more product. And I'm also gonna blend out this outer corner, still with that clean, smaller blending brush. Using this small shadow brush, I'm gonna go in Supreme and Pinker and put that on my bottom lid. And I'm gonna go into my waterline with my Essence Silky Nude Liner. Now I'm gonna line my lid, my top lid, with this e.l.f. black liquid liner. I'm trying to think, do I want to create a wing or just a regular line? Then I'm gonna add my mascara and lashes. I feel like something needs to be put in the inner corner. So, do I want it to be a matte or shimmer? I think I'm gonna go with shimmer. The shade Soleil right here, and put that in my inner corner. And I'm going over that with some of the shade Pinker because I don't want it to be too shimmery or bright. Now I just need to finish my lips and then we'll be done. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I like the way the wing turned out. At first it was looking a little, I don't know, but once I added my lashes, the wing made sense. So this was a pretty simple, easy look. I think it looks cute. I think it's not too pink to clash with my shirt because the pink isn't so pink. But yeah, this is it. I hope it was easy. I didn't use too many products, too many brushes, too many colors. I feel like this is an easy look for you to follow. If you want to recreate this look, it'll be easy for you to do so. And if you do, tag me on Instagram so I can see how it turned out. I'm all about simple, but still glam, still cute, but keeping it as easy as possible because not everybody is a makeup artist, but everybody can do their makeup. It just takes practice and patience. Once you figure out how to do it, you know, it gets easier the more you practice. So I did add some of that Soleil shade onto my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, and I like the way that it turned out. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. All the products are listed in the description box. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next one.